Here's the framework to answer any system design interview question. For any kind of ML or AI system design interview rounds, here is the framework that you need to follow. First, ask clarifying questions. This is the first step, like pinning down business goals, scale, system features, constraints, etc. Before you think about solutioning, you should ask clarifying questions. Number 2, frame the problem as AI task. In this, you have to define input and output of the system, whether it's text to text or text to image or image to image, etc. And then preparing data. How do we get the data for this task? What's the size of the data and what is the type of the data? And then model development. This is where you pick the approach, whether you prompt a foundation model or do a RAG or fine tune or train from scratch. And you always start with simplest baseline before adding complexity. Next comes evaluation. Since there is often no single right answer for AI applications, you need eval sets, human reviews, or LLM as judge. And then comes deployment and monitoring. How you serve it at the required latency and cost, and how you catch the drift, failures, and degradation once real users hit. For any system design interview, follow this framework to impress your interviewer. Comment system and I'll send you the full breakdown of this framework in your DMs.